Hello YouTube, this is Wolf. I'm going to show you very quickly how to develop some photo paper pictures with Caffenol. If you want to see the Caffenol recipe, just go to my other videos. You'll find a nice recipe on how to make Caffenol. It's very easy. You can make it with household items. Now, if you want to develop some pictures, be sure to do it in dark room, not in a light room like now. But there's no other option than to show it like this, because otherwise it's just dark, you won't see a lot. The only light that is acceptable if you want to develop photo paper is a bicycle light, a red bicycle light. You can test it before using it to be sure that your pictures won't be spoiled, but that's what I use and it works perfectly well. You need three little trays, one for the developer, this thing, one for the water to wash the picture, and the fixer. You need to make sure that all of these liquids are the same temperature. Also make sure you have like these clippy things, one for the developer and one for the fixer. So you unload your picture in the dark with the red light. Then you just place in the picture you want to develop. Of course, you make sure that the image is on the top side so you can see the picture while it's developing. So on how to develop it, then just agitate front to back very slowly, like this. Now you're developing the picture. I develop it for a minute to a minute and a half with this Caffenol recipe. And this paper, by the way, is photo paper, glossy RC paper, yeah. So after developing it for a minute, then you can take it out, take off the excess of Caffenol. Then after that is done, and then you can put it in the fixer, let it in there for about 20 seconds. After developing it in the fixer, you can take it out and you can wash it under the tab, because after fixing it the picture is okay, but be sure water is not too cold or not too hot, and then you will have your picture. Okay, that's it. That's how easy it is to develop pictures with Caffenol. Please like and subscribe, and make many more of these. Bye bye.